All right, we're going to talk about setting up this timing. The pulley just pushes on to this mount. It's not hard. Pulley goes on here, like that. The next thing that goes on is this washer with the spacer for the pulley, right? And then the big washer and the washer for the nut. And then the nut goes on. This is what you're going to use to set the timing. Floats on there until you tighten it down. Then over here, in this hole, goes your little doomajiggy for the spring. I need a washer. Hold on. This was the thing that you loosen in order to loosen the spring. Because the spring hits on here and on this thing, right? Like so. And then the spring's going to go down on that. So next, we get the spring set up. This goes on. Got a washer that goes on the back. A washer that goes on the front. And then it all goes together like this. And this is going to screw in here. All right, look familiar? So this thing is what you loosened up to get your spring loose. And then this goes in the big hole. And I don't remember how much we loosened it. And this thing cranks down inside that big gap. I'm going to try this with my fingers. I'm not going to do it with my fingers. Forgot how we did this. No, I didn't forget. We're going to have to use pliers. Just try not to mark it up too bad. Sorry. Oh, that's pretty easy. Okay, it's in. Pretty sure we can torque this down. Pretty sure that gets torqued last. Once we get the belt on, we'll tighten this up. I'm going to torque that.
What you doing, buddy?
Working over here.
Oh, are you recording again?
Yes, buddy. What are you doing?